should not do. If you like to a car, if you like to your mother's car or to your uncle's, something like that, and she leaves something upstairs and she leaves her phone there, you should not take it because God can always see you and punish you. Second thing you should not do, if you like to your uncle's house or to your mother's house, or to your brother, to auntie, something like that, and she leaves something upstairs and her phone is like there, and you should not take it because God can always see you and punish you. Third thing you should not do, if you like to like a friend's house, if you like to a party or like that, and some your brothers leaves her phone upstairs, you should not take her purse, or God can always see you and punish you.
The first thing you should not do if you're at school at first grade, and then it's break time or lunch time, and then somebody brings something very expensive with them, and I need to go to the bathroom, and then you find it. Make sure not steal it because it can be very bad, and God can always see you and punish you. The fifth thing you should not do if you're at a birthday party or anything like that, make sure if you need to go to the bathroom, make sure if you see like expensive stuff, do not take it because God can always see you and punish you. The sixth thing you should not do if you're at your stepmom's house, your stepbrother's house, make sure if you go like upstairs and then you see like nice clothes, make sure not take it because God can always see you and punish you. Bye!
Wait, we got something to tell you. If you're having problems at school, don't give up and work hard.
And always make love. Bye!
Moja BTV. Among for Momo Diana Monko, YouTube, baby, I'm going to be a Moja BTV. Say our SM, say a movie, say a yet day, a DB and Safan Qualamu, and now a war to TAB, with your Modiana Moja BTV. If you hold on, and near my word, subscribe. On YouTube, we are called Moja BTV, and on Facebook, we are called GMB. Subscribe. Hi, Lloyd.
Ya kwa Moja TV. Show ya. Minunti. Ya kwa Moja TV. Moja TV. Nyama wo. Mo shepa.
Yada mwasipa